On this day, December 5, 1984, published the law of the Compulsory Medical Autopsy. A day like today, but in 1984, the law of Compulsory Medical Autopsy is published. Article 1. It established the practice of the compulsory medical autopsy in the country's hospitals for the scientific study of the corpse, practiced by the specialized personnel whose purpose will be to determine the cause of death for academic and public health purposes. Article 2. Those corpses of people whose death has occurred while hospitalized in hospitals in the country receiving medical and/or surgical treatment are subject to the practice of the mandatory medical autopsy with the prior authorization of the competent authority. Article 3. All the data obtained from the autopsy will be kept in the respective autopsy protocols in the file of the institution that practiced it. Article 4. The Secretary of State in the offices of Public Health and Social Assistance is the unit responsible for ensicing the observance and application of this law. Consequently, it is empowered to issue its regulations and must take into consideration the opinion of the Faculty of Medical Sciences of the National Autonomous University of Honduras and the Medical College of Honduras. Article 5. The expenses caused by the practice of the compulsory medical autopsy shall be borne by the state in the hospitals of its dependency, for which purpose the corresponding item shall be entered in the budget of the Secretariat of State consigned in the previous article. As for the expenses of other state institutions, they will be borne by the institution, and with regard to private hospitals, it will correspond to whoever requests the autopsy. Article 6. No hospitals where the compulsory medical autopsy has been performed in compliance with this law and its regulations with trained personnel for that purpose may be sued or accused because of the results thereof. Article 7. This law shall enter into force from the date of its publication in the official Gazette La Gaceta, given in the city of Tegucigalpa, Central District in the Hall of Sessions of the National Congress, published in the official Journal Gazeta No. 2448/6, dated 5 of December 1984. This was a day in the history of Honduras.